Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another episode on this video. Today we are looking at a task in Python. What exactly is a task in Python? In Python's asynchronous programming, a task is a wrapper that manages coroutines for concurrent execution, allowing multiple operations to run simultaneously without multiple threads or processes. And the tasks are core components of the asyncio library, enabling efficient handling of input-output bound operations. So creating and using tags, async IO example. So tags in Python are created using async io dot create underscore task method, which wraps a coroutine and executes it on the event loop. Once created, tasks run independently until awaited. And the async io library includes utilities like gather and wait methods for managing groups of tasks efficiently. Here's an example of creating and using tasks using the async IO example. So do well to run this, take your time, pause this video, run this in VS Code, let us know how it worked. If you do not understand anything, do well to let us know in the comment section.